Hello friends, I am Advocate Shahla Javed. Today my topic is inquiry procedure in case of harassment of women at workplace before the Ombudsman. As we have already discussed that if a woman is aggrieved by an act of harassment, she has two options. She can prefer a complaint before the inquiry committee, and she can also prefer a complaint directly to the Ombudsman. So, we have already discussed the procedure before inquiry committee. So, today we will discuss the procedure before the Ombudsman. So, the process is very simple. If the woman who is aggrieved by an act of harassment, she will file a complaint, but before writing a complaint, the importance and significance of complaint must be taken into consideration. As I have already told you that complaint is your fundamental document. So, it is basically the soul of whole case. So, while writing the complainant must write all the minute details of the incident, the exact time, place, location, and the words and the body language and gestures of the harasser, and the evidence and witnesses which were present at that time. So, all the minute details must be included in the complaint. So, when she will convey her or submit her complaint before the Ombudsman, then within the receipt of complaint, within the 3 days, the Ombudsman will issue a written show cause notice to the harasser or the defendant. After receiving the show cause from the Ombudsman, the harasser or the defendant will submit his written defense or the written reply within the 5 days. And if he failed to submit his written reply within 5 days, without reasonable cause, the Ombudsman may proceed ex parte. And if when the submit his reply, then it will follow the proper procedure of inquiry. The Ombudsman will inquire proper procedure and which it deemed necessary or it deemed fit to find the facts of the whole case. So, the Ombudsman have all the powers of civil court, and to inquire into the case or inquire into the charges of harassment, it has all the powers of civil court. So, the Ombudsman can call any member of organization to furnish the information about the incident. Ombudsman can compel any person to give witness he can call him as a witness, and it can compel anyone from organization to give the any documentary evidence. They can compel for the production of evidence, and it can also take the evidence on oath, and it has all the powers to find out the facts and to inquire into case whatever it deems just, proper and necessary. So, the Ombudsman can enter into any premises where they think or where there is a possibility to find such information which is helpful to to find the facts of inquiry, or which is helpful in conducting the inquiry, and it can summon any person. And when in case of contempt of the Ombudsman, it has all the powers of High Court. So, after collecting all the facts, the data, information, documentary evidence, and after taking into consideration the witnesses, then Ombudsman will convey his will give the decision, and its decision is challengeable before the governor and the president. So, there are two kinds of ombudsman, federal ombudsman and provincial ombudsman. So, the appeal against the decision of provincial ombudsman lies before the governor, and in case of federal ombudsman, the appeal lies before the president. So, this is a very simple procedure, and you can contest your own case, and it's a very speedy trial. And I think instead of being the victim, we must raise our voices to get the justice. Thank you.